How can a beam of light cut through steel with millimetric precision? Behind that flash, there's more than power, there's engineering, control, and vision. Today, you will discover how a fiber laser cutting machine works and why this technology is transforming the way we shape metal. A fiber laser cutting machine is a symphony of optics, electronics, and mechanics. Each system has a purpose. The resonator generates the light, the chiller regulates the temperature, the cutting head directs the beam, the bed supports the materials, and the software controls every detail. Everything happens with a precision almost invisible to the human eye, yet obvious in every perfectly carved edge. But first, what is fiber laser? It all starts with the fiber laser, a special optical fiber that converts electrical energy into concentrated light. Unlike other methods, fiber keeps the beam perfectly aligned, traveling without dispersion or loss of power. This light, invisible to the human eye, has a wavelength of 1064 nanometers, powerful enough to melt steel in milliseconds with a level of detail no other process can achieve. But where does that powerful light come from? The resonator or laser source is the heart of the machine, where electricity becomes a pure, coherent, and stable beam of light. Three components work together. Gain fiber amplifies light within the core, pump source laser diodes inject energy into the system, resonance cavity formed by bragg gratings reflecting light within the fiber and defining its wavelength. The result is a highly concentrated beam of energy traveling through the fiber optical cable toward the cutting head without losing power. We have the light, but how do you control a beam with that much energy? Heat is the enemy of precision and the chiller keeps everything in balance. This cooling system uses a closed circuit of distilled water, recirculation pumps, and thermal sensor to regulate the temperature of resonator and current heat between 35 and 95 Fahrenheit degrees. If the laser overheats, it loses stability. That's why the chiller works silently, ensuring consistent performance even during long production hours. Temperature is under control, so how does light turn into action? This is where light becomes action. The current heat is where the beam is focused, measured, and guided with absolute precision. It glides smoothly along the X and Y axis, driving the high-speed servomotors that turn every digital trace into a real movement on a steel sheet. Inside, the collimating lens stabilizes the beam, and the focusing lens concentrates all its energy into a point as thin as a strand of hair. A capacitive sensor measures the distance to the material, while the autofocus system adjusts in real time to maintain precise cuts even of uneven surfaces. Protective lenses safeguard the optics, the nozzle channels the acid gas, air, oxygen, or nitrogen, and the internal cooling system keeps the head's temperature stable. Everything is mounted on a high-precision XY system, allowing the head to move at high speed without losing accuracy or stability. But what happens beneath the heads? When steel begins to take shape, the current bed holds the material as the head moves along its path. It's made up of metal blades, also known as slats, designed to withstand high temperatures. Below, collection cars automatically gather slag and debris, keeping the area clean and ready for the next shift. Industrial versions use dual exchange tables, allowing one sheet to be loaded while the other is being carved, so production never stops. And who coordinates all this perfect synchronization? The entire system is orchestrated by FORZA Play, an industrial control platform designed to be intuitive and precise. Here, the operator loads, designs, selects materials, adjusts power, speed, and gas pressure, and monitors the process in real time. FORZA Play supports DXF, AI, PLT, and G-code files, and includes a wireless remote for moving the head, calibrating, or starting cuts from anywhere. The software gives the commands, but how does the machine respond physically? The assist gas is the laser invisible ally. It clears the carrying area, removes debris, and cools the material. Compressed air, economical and versatile, ideal for stainless steel and aluminum. Oxygen used for thick carbon steel. Nitrogen delivers shiny, oxidation-free finishes. The industrial compressor regulates pressure and ensures a constant flow, adjusting automatically to the material and thickness. While the gas does its job, what happened to the residues left behind? During cutting, the metal releases vapor and microscopic particles. The fume extraction system removes them instantly, keeping the workspace clean and safe. It uses upper and lower ducts and suction turbine and activate carbon filters that purify the air before releasing it back into the environment. Everything works in perfect precision, but how is that precision maintained over time? In a high-precision machine, the smallest details make the biggest difference. Consumables ensure optimal performance and consistent carrying quality. Nozzles and lenses replace every 200 hours, ceramic base every 1000 hours, distillate water replaced every 2 months. Oil and blue grease keep the axis moving smoothly. Resonator, chiller, head, bed, controller, compressor, and extractor each has its role, but they all work together with one goal: to keep producing without stopping. FORZA machines deliver cuts with about 0.1 mm precision, speed up to 200 meters per minute, and 24/7 reliability with consistent results. This is how a fiber laser cutting machine works, a perfect dance of energy, control, and precision, where light becomes productivity and steel becomes industrial art. The energy of the future can't be seen, it's cut!